Welcome back to the Wheel Masters. The 2025 Suzuki Splash is set to be an exciting addition to Suzuki's compact car lineup, promising a blend of practicality, modern design, and efficient performance. Aimed at urban drivers looking for a budget-friendly yet stylish option, the new Splash brings several upgrades and tweaks to continue its legacy. With its compact dimensions, it's perfect for city driving, easily maneuvering through tight spaces, and offering a comfortable ride for those who don't need a large vehicle but still want a lot of features. The exterior design of the 2025 Suzuki Splash is sleek and contemporary, with a more aggressive stance than its predecessors. It adopts Suzuki's latest design language, characterized by sharp lines and a bold front grille. The front fascia features angular headlights and a sculpted bumper, making the car look more dynamic and youthful. The compact size of the Splash means it's perfect for parking in crowded areas, but despite its small stature, the new model doesn't compromise on style or presence. The overall design feels fresh and modern, appealing to a younger audience or anyone who wants a reliable, stylish car for daily commuting. Inside, the 2025 Splash impresses with its surprisingly spacious cabin, making the most of its compact size. While the car is small on the outside, the interior feels airy and comfortable. The dashboard layout is clean, with a well-integrated touchscreen infotainment system that provides all the connectivity features drivers expect today, including smartphone compatibility. Whether you're using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, the system ensures that you stay connected while on the road. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with enough space in the back for passengers, especially for a vehicle in this category. The interior materials have also been upgraded to give the car a more premium feel, ensuring that even budget-conscious buyers can enjoy a pleasant driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Suzuki Splash offers a range of fuel-efficient engines that balance performance with economy. The primary powertrain options include a small yet capable 1.2-liter petrol engine, offering a smooth ride with adequate power for city driving. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission or an automatic option for those who prefer ease of driving. Thanks to its lightweight design and small engine size, the Splash is expected to offer excellent fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for those who want to keep running costs low. While it's not a powerhouse, the Splash is all about practicality and delivering a reliable and efficient performance. In terms of safety, Suzuki has equipped the 2025 Splash with a range of modern safety features. The car comes with standard safety tech such as multiple airbags, ABS, traction control, and stability control. Additionally, higher trims may offer advanced safety systems like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. While the Suzuki Splash is not positioned as a high-end luxury car, it certainly doesn't cut corners when it comes to protecting its occupants. This makes it an appealing option for families or those who prioritize safety in their daily driving. One of the major selling points of the 2025 Suzuki Splash is its affordability. This car has been designed with budget-conscious consumers in mind, offering a low entry price while still providing modern features